and transparency in all spheres of our activities.
A.L. Heck, the Minister of Animal Husbandry, inaugurated the ginger processing unit of the Yakrashan Cluster Farmers Producer Multipurpose Cooperative Society today in Terso, Bhoi district. Funded by the Meghalaya Basin Management Agency, the inauguration coincided with the 3rd anniversary of the cooperative society. Notable attendees included Charles Marngar, MLA and MDC of Mahoti constituency, and M.K. Kharmudai, District Project Manager, along with officials from the Horticulture Department.
Jadi oken yang using lelai ladon lupa medicinal value.